Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello for tax season checklist and document pipeline easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Trello website at trello.com. Click on the sign up button if you do not have an account. If you already have an account, click on login. Enter your credentials and access your Trello dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Create New Board button. Click on it to start a new board for your tax season checklist. Name your board something like Tax Season Checklist. Choose a background color or image for better visibility. Now, let's add lists to structure your board. Create a list titled Documents Needed. Next, add a list titled To Do. Follow that with a list named In Progress. Finally, create a list called Click on that Add a Card option under Documents Needed. Here, enter a specific document you need for your taxes, like W-2 forms. Repeat this process for other necessary documents. Next, move to the to-do list. Create cards for tasks such as gather documents and schedule appointment with tax advisor. For any tasks currently in progress, place them under the In Progress list. Once completed, you can easily drag those tasks to the completed list. To enhance organization, you can assign due dates to each card. Click on the card you want to edit. Select the due date option and pick an appropriate date. You can also add checklists within cards. For example, in Gather Documents, include subtasks like Collect 1099s or Organize Receipts. Consider using labels to categorize tasks by urgency or team members. Click on labels in the card to create custom tags. To keep your team informed, invite them to the board. Click on Invite and enter their email addresses for access. Encourage team collaboration by using the comments section in each card. Now that your board is set up, regularly update it to track progress. Remember to review your checklist periodically as tax season approaches. With this Trello setup, you will streamline your tax season preparation effectively. Feel free to customize your board further based on your specific needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.